I'm Paula. Welcome to Spotlight's Word of the Day. Today's word is visit. As a verb, the word visit means to go to or come to a place for a short time for friendly or business reasons. As a noun, it means an act of visiting. Here's visit in a sentence. Every day, people all over the world visit museums. Join us again for another Spotlight Word of the Day.